Hey designers! In this video, we'll create a cool glitch effect in Adobe After Effects. Let's dive in. Start by using the text tool to write your text and align it vertically and horizontally. Customize the character, size, and font to your liking. Once you're happy with the look, we'll move on to creating a new composition. Name the composition glitch and keep the same size. Next, go to Layer New Solid, and choose black as the color. Press OK. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for Fractal Noise and apply it to the solid layer. Set the noise type to block, increase the contrast, and under Transform, check Uniform Scaling. Then, increase the scale width and decrease the scale height to around 50. Once that's done, go back to the main composition. In the Project panel, drag and drop the glitch composition below the Ace Designs layer and turn off its visibility. Now, create a new adjustment layer by going to Layer New Adjustment Layer. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for Displacement Map and apply it to the adjustment layer. Set the displacement map layer to glitch. Click the stopwatch next to Max Horizontal Displace and Max Vertical Displace to create keyframes. Press U to reveal them. Now, move a few frames forward and adjust the horizontal and vertical displace values to create the glitch effect. Continue moving forward in the timeline, tweaking the displace values as you go. Repeat this process, adding more glitch variations until you're satisfied. Continue moving forward in the timeline, tweaking the displace values as you go, then bring them back to 0 to return the text to normal. Then bring them back to 0 to return the text to normal. And, remember, on the last frame, make sure the values return to 0. Finally, preview the animation to see your glitch effect in action. Alright, so now, after a few frames, add a blank keyframe to both vertical and horizontal displace values. Then, move forward a few frames and change the values again. There will be a pause for a few seconds, or, a few frames, and then the glitch will kick in again. Keep moving forward, adjusting the glitch values as you go. You can copy my settings or experiment with your own. And, remember, on the last frame, make sure the values return to 0. Now, go ahead and preview the animation. Your glitch effect is ready. Alright, let's close the properties of these adjustment layers. Now that the glitch effect is done, let's add some color effects. First, select the text layer, go to Effects and Presets, and search for Shift Channels. Drag and drop this effect onto the text. Set Take Red From to Red, and for Take Green From and Take Blue From, set both to full off. This will make the layer red. Next, duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+D. For this duplicated layer, set Take Red From the full off and change Take Blue From full off to blue. Great! Now, duplicate this layer again by pressing Ctrl+D. This time, set Take Red From the full off, leave Take Blue From as is, and change Take Green From full off to green. Now you should see 3 layers, one green on top, then blue, and red at the bottom. Select the 2 layers on top and change their blending mode to screen. Finally, select the text layer at the bottom, and we'll animate its position just a bit to complete the effect. To see the keyframes on the adjustment layer, select it and press U now. Select the text layer at the bottom and press P for position. Click the stopwatch next to position, move a few frames forward, and adjust both the X and Y positions to reveal the colors from the layers above. Keep moving forward and tweaking the position to create that glitch RGB effect. Keep moving forward and tweaking the position to create that glitch RGB effect. Remember, at the last frame, reset the position to the original values. To reset, right-click the X value and select Reset, then do the same for the Y value. Once done, preview the animation to see your final effect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to Ace Designs.